Hey everybody, welcome to week 7, which talks about silhouette photography as well as depth of field, which are two kind of fun camera things that we can play with as media arts emphasizing people. The first is just silhouette. I'm sure you have an image that comes to mind, but these links here are actually quintessential. If you've ever thought, man, I wonder what would happen if I clicked a link in my online course, now is the day where you can click it and you will be surprised how nice it is to go to a website that's really well designed for you, for the specific purpose of teaching you this material. Anyway, so here we go. It's like this one. Striking examples of silhouette photography. You can see on the left here, like this first image is just perfect. Like it's a great example of what we're talking about in regards to not necessarily just like a silhouette of like the sky and then someone, but there's even balloons included and kind of this epic style image that has these leading lines kind of coming out from the hand to spread your eye line throughout the image. Again, here, maybe having people jump or working with hands. If you can find some animals. I love this shot because it plays with the rule of thirds. And again, it has these perspective elements where there's size, large and small, to kind of create depth. And the same with some of these other ones. So make sure you go through these wonderful examples of silhouette photography where the light source is behind and the person is in front of the image. And then understanding depth of field is another part of the puzzle that is super important. So kind of it talks about shutter speed here, which will help you understand depth of field. So make sure you watch through that video and getting kind of this overview of depth of field. It's just something that we're hoping that you can understand. Now, I know not everyone has a DSLR camera, so then we will not be requiring you to try to shoot something in depth of field, but I would if you do. And I would also suggest you can play with that with like portrait mode. So with iPhones and things like that, they've solved the depth of field issue with multiple camera lenses and the portrait mode where the out of focus background look comes from those other lenses that they're using. All right. Yeah. So make sure you're responding to your classmates in that voice thread. And that is your week. Good luck. And I'm looking forward to seeing your silhouette photography. See ya.